Hi, I'm Keith with Adamski Fine Woodworking, and today we're going to put the second coat on our river table using our gorillapoxy. Okay, here we go. It's our first video, so who knows what will turn up. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is mix the two together. So we're going to pour them both into this bucket. Should have had some music. Now there's not a lot of instructions for this product, so I kind of made them up as I went. It worked good on the first pour, you can see on the table back there. So we're just going to do the same thing and keep our fingers crossed. I like to use this drill. Keep it on a low setting for 3 minutes. Yeah, so we're in the final minute of mixing this together. We got a few bubbles, but nothing that we can't handle. So I like to take a heat gun and just try to pull some of the bubbles to the top. Now there might be some tricky formula for the dye, but nothing I could find. So what I do is I just put a couple squirts in because I want this to be white, white, white. And then I mix it up again, which is kind of cool. Okay, so what I do next, so I don't have to hold this big bucket when I pour, is I just pour it into a little smaller pail to transfer it. I know it's an extra step, but it makes my life easier. So then I just start pouring it in. Ugh, that didn't go so well. All right, so I just take the heat gun to get some bubbles out. I don't have a lot. And that's it. We'll let it sit for 24 hours and then we'll come back and take a look at it. Okay, thanks for watching.